Welcome to Percussion CM1. In this tutorial, we will cover managing sites within the Finder. To delete an asset within the asset library, navigate to the asset you wish to delete, and make sure it's highlighted. Clicking this icon here will delete the selected item. Once you click that, a dialog will appear to confirm that you indeed want to delete this. Keep in mind that once an asset is deleted, it will be removed from all the pages that use it. Next, we're going to move over to the Sites section. In this column, we have a list of all the sites we've created in CM1. You navigate through the same way as you do with the assets. Single clicks to drill down through the structure. Once you get to an individual page and click on it, you have some information on the page, such as the template used to create it, its current workflow status, last modified date, with who modified it, and last published date. Similarly, to preview a page in the browser, we click on the link text. Or the preview icon. There are a couple of features that I would like to point out. Blue folders represent sections, and the white icons represent pages. You may notice that some folders and pages will have arrows on them. They indicate that they were created as part of the built-in navigation in CM1 system. Pages and folders created outside of the navigation will not display that. As a contributor, you can create individual pages and folders outside of the navigation system. To do that, you have these two icons, Create a New Folder and Create a New Page. Creating a new page is similar to that of an asset. You click the Create New Page icon. You are then given a choice of templates to choose from for that page. The link text is the text that will be displayed in link format. You'll notice that by typing in the title, it will automatically populate your page title, which you may want to manually overwrite to add your site's hostname first, or whatever you desire. So you can manually overwrite this, but it will automatically populate by default. The page name is the actual URL that will be displayed. You will notice that it automatically converts it into an SEO-friendly format, with all lowercase letters separated by a hyphen. We then click Save. We are then automatically brought into editor mode, where we can enter new content. It's a good idea to minimize the Finder when you start working on a page in order to give you more room. A couple of things that I would like to point out are, for example, when we click this area, we see that there is a lock on it. This means that this content was inserted on a template level and that we are unable to edit this section. You'll see as you click through sections that are grayed out, it means that they're on a template and that you cannot work on them. By clicking on this empty widget though, we can see that there is a blue pencil there, which indicates that we can edit this content locally. After clicking the pencil icon, it opens up the rich text editor. There is a separate tutorial on using this, so I'll just go through some of the basics. By opening up the dialog, you can enter content directly onto the page. The rich text editor is very resourceful. For example, we can insert images directly through our asset library by clicking the Browse button and navigating through by double-clicking a particular image. If you leave all text empty, it will give you an error for SEO and accessibility purposes that you're going to continue without adding it. So it's a good reminder that you will always add alt text to your images. So that's one way of entering content through the rich text editor. And we click Save. We can now see that our content has been entered on the page. So that's one way of entering content. You'll see that by hovering over the content, you can select the widget and reopen the rich text editor and make any necessary edits. This is the end of our tutorial. Thank you for watching.